Bore da ysgol gyfun Pontarddulais a dydd Gwyl Dewi hapus I chi gyd. Good morning to you and a happy St. David's Day. St. David's Day falls every year on March the 1st, the date of St. David's death in the year 589 AD. St. David's Day became a national day of celebration in the 18th century. Welsh cakes, lamb and leek dishes are traditional things to eat to mark the special day, while young children normally dress in traditional Welsh costumes. Many today also mark St. David's Day by wearing a leek or a daffodil, which are the national symbols of Wales, or by displaying the flag of St. David, which features a yellow cross on a black background. These traditions come after St. David advised soldiers who were fighting the Saxons to wear leeks in their hats to recognise their fellow countrymen and to avoid friendly fire. This apparently helped to secure a great victory, and as a result, this is why one of the symbols of Wales is the leek. The daffodil is the national flower of Wales, and David is the patron saint of Wales. Well, who exactly was St. David? Pwy oedd Dewi Sant? The exact date of his birth is unknown, but it is believed to have been around 1,500 years ago. St. David comes from a royal lineage. His father was the Prince of Ceredigion, and rumour has it that his mother, Non, also a saint, was the niece of legendary King Arthur. There are many stories of St. David's miracles, including bringing a dead boy back to life and restoring a blind man's sight. However, the most famous of all is the miracle of the ground rising beneath his feet, allowing all around him to see him and hear his voice as he preached. Gwnewch y pethau bychain, or in English, do the little things, is considered St. David's most famous phrase, and was one of the last things he said before dying. It is also claimed that he lived beyond 100 years old. St. David founded a monastery close to where the cathedral built in his name in the 1300s now stands. Tŷ Ddewi, St. David's, was regarded as a shrine to the saint, and many pilgrims would visit to honour the work and life of St. David. Today, St. David's in Pembrokeshire is regarded as the smallest cathedral city in Britain, where approximately 2,000 people live. Dewi Sant died on March the 1st, Mawrth y cyntaf, in the year 589, and Wales continues to honour his memory. St. David's Day, Dydd Gwyl Dewi, is still observed today by Welsh people wherever they may be. St. David was a proud Welshman. When celebrating St. David's Day, and also Diwrnod Shwmai, we show an appreciation of our nationality and identity. This is a right we all have as individuals. I would like you to sit back now and listen to a song composed in January 2018, prior to the start of the Six Nations Rugby Games. It is a song called Welsh and Proud, and has been viewed by many on YouTube. It describes many traits we have as Welsh people, things which are unique to us in Wales, and things only Welsh people would say and understand.
This is called Welsh and Proud. I'm not shy, gonna shout it out loud. I am Welsh and I am proud. That's a fact, I'm unbowed. I am Welsh and I am proud. You're Welsh too if you own a pair of daps. The jacket is your coat, and just perhaps, if Wales win at rugby, you almost collapse. Your butty's not a sandwich, but your buns are babs. Yeah, I'm not shy, gonna shout it out loud. I am Welsh and I am proud. That's a fact, I'm unbowed. I am Welsh and I am proud. You're Welsh if you know about 20 dies. Innit? fair play, tidy man I. You know what Derek means when he says Siwmai, and Croeso I Cymru makes you cry. Yeah, I'm not shy, gonna shout it out loud. I am Welsh and I am proud, that's a fact. I'm unbowed. I am Welsh and I am proud. I'll be there. Now in a minute. Said I the milk, oh, guess a cutchin in it. I see the Tom that drains. He is a little top though. Tom drinks brains. Brains. Yeah, I'm not shy, gonna shout it out loud. I am Welsh and I am proud, that's a fact. I'm unbowed. I am Welsh and I am proud. You say the seven toll is an entrance fee to the land of the poet, the song and the free, where your nan used to make you rock hard toffee, and we all speak Welsh. Rydw hoffi coffee. Yeah, I'm not shy, gonna shout it out loud. I am Welsh and I am proud, that's a fact. I'm unbowed. I am Welsh and I am proud. Listen out for your names now. If you're a Jones, a Morris, a Phillips or Hughes, a Williams, Roberts, Prices or Pews, a Davis, a Thomas, a Lewis or Howells, Evans, Edwards, Morgans or Powells, then don't be shy, shout it out loud. You're probably Welsh and you should be proud, that's a fact, be unbowed. If you're Welsh, I bet you're proud.
Wel, diolch am wrando heddiw. Thank you for listening today. A dydd Gŵyl Dewi hapus I chi gyd.